What's up, vlog? It's your girl Sheambergyal back on the YouTube channel. We're here today, well tonight really, doing some thinking, some preparing for the new year. Currently doing a vision board, as you can see. I'm putting some clips in here so y'all can see what I'm doing. I'm not sure what this vlog is going to be about, but just know y'all going to get a little content, 2025, here we come, here we go. I have a bunch of goals this year. Let me know what you guys' goals are in the comments below so I can add them to my prayer closet so I can pray for you guys. If you are new or not new, welcome. If you are not new, welcome back, my loves. I know they blow trees, so they know me low. Music chose me, just know this and know this. I get lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy lady. I am getting things done here. Happy New Year, guys. So I have about 5 more pictures. To put on this board. There should be enough space. I'm just trying to figure out where to put everything. But guys, the TikTok vlog at the same time. Got my music here, jamming, and just vibing over here. But Happy New Year, guys. I'm not sure when I'm going to upload this video, but as you can see, I'm currently preparing for the new year. So I'm actually excited. But I'll catch you guys in the new year. I cannot wait for what is to come. Someone feed me slowly. Guys, the color is in. I'll post it on here, but y'all can't see it on here, but let me see. They probably can't see it. But I'll post a picture in here, but it's here. It's so good, y'all. It's so good. Look at it. What's up, vloggy vlog? It's your girl, Sheambergyal, back on the I haven't been here in so long. What do I even say? It's your girl, Sheambergyal, back with another video for the YouTube channel. That's what I say. Okay, we good. As y'all can tell by the title, this is a life update, where I've been, what I've been doing. So yeah, I'm just excited for you guys to see everything I've been doing from like January till now. I did do a little vlog for you guys on my actual phone because this year has been a lot. So like trying to vlog everything and get content for like all platforms, it's been a lot. So today we're headed to a photo shoot. Listen, I'm so excited because this is my first photo shoot since modeling, because I just been doing like runway shows and just that's it, really. That's all. So I'm doing a photo shoot. I'm super excited. It's gonna be outside, so I hope that the lighting looks good for you guys when I prop the camera up and everything. And once I get all the pictures back, it'll be all on my Instagram, which is down below. You can go ahead and follow me. It's Sheambergyal with the _. I'm just excited, y'all. Like it starts at 12:30. It's now 11:30. I have to run to Walmart really quick and get some red lipstick because the outfit is a red hat, some red pumps, a red bralette with this black blazer, and some like long pants. So I'm really excited for this. Like, I know I keep saying it, but I'm super excited. Like Anyway, guys, let's go. I'll catch you guys when I get to the photo shoot. I'm here at the shoot. Here we go. I'm excited. So I'm waiting on him to come over here, and then we're going to pick some spots where it's best for the fit. On a spot. Vlogging? Photographer, say hello.
Yeah, the vlogging part.
About to shoot, guys. So I'm going to prop y'all up so I can see all the good things, of the creativity. hype you up. I'm gonna hype you up.
Kilo fait en mode chocolat, fine fine au baguette, watch your love for like it, why not more mote, your body chocolate, bush it ready, yeah, imade, double dose, kilo fait, why now?
Yo, you did your own makeup?
Yeah. Feels good?
I pick up everything. But I'm zooming in,
That's great.
looking at your skin, and it's just like, dude, it's like flawless. I'm not even lying. Yo. I got you. I told you I got you. Hey, you stupid. Yo, I probably could shoot good size. I forgot to ask.
No, I'm scared. Alright guys, so we changed spots here to shoot. So now we're at this area over here to shoot. So he's checking out the spots to see where we're gonna shoot next. And right now I'm gonna sit on this bench, do some clips here, and then I think somewhere else. He's like over here walking around. He's a whole photographer for real. He'll be walking around checking the spots out like, he a real one. Book Darnell.
Huh?
Book Darnell.
Oh, you stupid. I mean, I don't know what it's.
I should've put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know. You got desires.
You got that fire, and I'm not a liar. You had me down on my knees every day, had to talk beside you. I'm in that 8 and then one of the this different priority. I try to pay all your loans off and copy you a driver. I had to stand too close to the city, you acting too vulnerable living this life.
Boy, don't do it. If you say I'm on your mind, I just want you to. Heard you got about
Next spot, guys. Next spot. Book Darnell. You haven't done that yet. If you haven't done it already, go do it. Success, guys. Book Darnell. It's a wrap. Until next time, guys. Shoot over. I'm out. What's up, vloggy vlog? So I'm actually about to start my second photo shoot. Haven't even I don't even know, y'all. I'm really excited. Like, I haven't shot this many. Like, this is my second photo shoot less than like 2 weeks. It's actually really crazy. And so I'm waiting on my photographer to set up and everything. And we're gonna get this started.
You like that?
Oh.
All right, look at the top right. Look at the top right there. See how it's like going down.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, so.
Yeah, there.
Alright. Alright, 3, 2,
say she had bad. Anytime I knock with that. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. Although you cool, I'm happy that. Although you cool, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do.